Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Calmify Anti-Stress Drinks review. So you might be wondering, what is Calmify here? Well, Calmify is a liquid supplement drink mix marketed for stress relief, sleep support, and cortisol balance. Now, it's formulated with ashwagandha, l-theanine, magnesium glycinate, and vitamin D3, along with citric acid and natural fruit flavoring, commonly raspberry lemonade, among other flavors. Now, the maker describes it as sugar-free, vegan, and made without artificial fillers or proprietary blends. Now, how do you use this? Well, in this case, you want to mix one packet or dropper with water. Now, it's designed to taste like a light fruit drink rather than a chalky supplement, and the intensity can be adjusted by adding more or less water. Now, the site's suggested timing is about 1 hour before bed, since the adaptogens are described as working overnight to support the body's cortisol rhythm. Now, a dropper-style version lists up to 2 droppers a day if needed, as with any supplements combining magnesium or other overlapping ingredients. Checking existing supplements or for duplicates or duplicate dosing here, and consult a healthcare provider first if unsure, and also it is advised if you do have some underlying, or if you are already taking some supplements or vitamins alongside with this one. Now, on the pricing side here and purchasing specifically, many listings, including a buy one get one free promotional offer, are structured as a recurring subscription rather than a single one-time purchase. Now, meaning an order can auto-renew and charge again on a set schedule, so commonly monthly here, unless canceled beforehand. Now, it's worth reading the checkout terms here closely to confirm whether a specific offer is one-time offer or subscription-based. And noting the cancellation process before ordering here. Now, a 30-day money-back guarantee is listed on the official site for those not satisfied with the product itself. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.